Hey everyone, so I was one of the people who got the Warhammer supply drop Underworlds, the one for the Underworlds box game of Age of Sigmar. Now, I've never actually played Age of Sigmar. I've had some models before, but I haven't played any of the smaller games and stuff like that. Recently been getting into Blood Bowl and really enjoying that. I know they've got new rules coming up, but I thought I'd show you what I got in the box. Now, disclaimer, I spent 65 quid on this. It was apparently meant to be about half, it was meant to be like kind of half the retail value. So this was about 130 quid. It came really quickly in about 2 days, so I can give them that. And I've also gone through the stuff already. And I don't know, it's kind of interesting. I guess it's good if you already play it, but I'm not sure otherwise. So I'm going to take out some of this packing and go through this stuff. So first things first, we do have some models. We have the Champions of Dreadflame, which apparently is an expansion. Not the core game. I will say right out of the box, the core game isn't in here, or at least any of the core boxes. So we got the Champions of Dreadflame. So Ghost versus the Stormforge. We got some... This is one of the things I was going through the list of stuff, and I was like, oh no, they're going to send me us. So some very, very cool terrain. I'm not going to deny that. But it's not really miniatures you can play with. But at the same time, I don't really own any terrain, so I'm going to look on the bright side for this one. Next up in the miniatures is we have some of the Godsworn Hunt. I believe this is actually in one of the main painting tutorials on YouTube. One of the main YouTubers on how to get painting is actually put this box and got ready for that. So that's kind of cool, and that ends the miniatures. So so that's all the miniatures in the box. The rest of it is accessories. So let's dive into those accessories. Unfortunately, tokens. They're made of cardboard. We have a playmat exclusively for this game. Oh man, we have a deck box exclusively for this game. It doesn't even look like it can hold many of my magic cards. Maybe a small Yu-Gi-Oh deck unsleeved. We'll see. And last but not least, a giant carry case. Now the giant carry case is quite nice. I'm not going to lie. But once again, I don't play Beastgrave, so overall a bit disappointed, but not too bad.